Getting a voice chat verification error on Roblox, here's how to fix it step by step. First, make sure you're over 13 years old and that your Roblox account has the correct birthday set. If your age is under 13, which is showcased here, your voice chat won't unlock. Next, open settings from here and then go to account info and here press on verify my age. Use a valid government issued ID, like a passport or driver's license, and make sure your camera is clear and well lit when scanning. If the verification keeps failing, double check that the name and birth date on your Roblox account match your ID. Even small mismatch can trigger errors. On mobile, try switching to a different browser like Chrome or Safari when uploading your ID. On PC, clear cache and cookies before retrying. If you're still stuck, go to roblox.com/support and submit a ticket. Roblox support can manually review your verification. Once approved, restart Roblox, head to settings and then privacy and toggle on enable voice chat. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.